For the following counties, in Indiana, Carroll and Tippecanoe. High wind warning in effect from 11 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. Southwest winds 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include portions of central, north central, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from 11 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage. For the following counties,